What is it, Mummy? What is it? What is it? What is it, Bronwyn? I don't know. It's a book. I didn't tell you.
Are you alright, Pam?
You're a little bit tired. Go on, Bronwyn, go to the end, go to the end. I got it, Bronwyn, I got it. Oh.
What is it?
Game, Mummy. It's a game of some kind.
Oh! Bangles. You make your own bracelet.
What a good idea.
Ah.
Oh, I do like that.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good. It's got sparkly things on it. Oh, bless you. Yeah? Yeah.
We have those things that have those, it's like tambourine, but it's got those little things that it makes things like, you know, this thing.
Yes.
See.
Oh, so that was the first one for Father Christmas. Oh.
Ooh, read die. Oh, brilliant!
Oh, a little princess bear.
I'm a little princess. Wow, she's in the swing of it now, Mummy. She's realised that she can open them and she can just keep going and going.
Oh, something's doing Minnie now.
What is it? What is it?
Sort of drawing thing.
Boutique. You make bows, I imagine. Is that fair?
Or is it a drawing thing?
Oh, is it a boutique? Is that the joke? I don't think that was the joke.
Do you need a wee band then?
No.
Sure? Okay. Do you want to carry on? Or do you want to save some from it and have some breakfast? Carry on?
Funnily enough. Yeah, did you get radio on this?
No, I don't know, guys. Well, if you press input, and then is it down there?
Oh, Diane Berman. Whoa. Supply.
Oh wow! Is that a dot to dot? Oh, Bramwyn, that's one where you join the dots.
Oh, I love dot to dot, Mummy. I love dot to dot.
Oh, and that's a numbers book. Oh, that's all about adding up. No, that's about adding up. Ah.
Bramwyn's good at adding up, Mummy.
Okay, next. Oh, that's a big one.
It's a very big one, Mummy. I hope it's educational.
Oh, look, cards. It's a card making
Oh,
box.
lovely.
Lots of stuff to make cards.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
I did. Oh, well done, Father Christmas.
Well done, Father Christmas. You did a good job there, Mummy. Is that the end of it now, Mummy?
No,
there's not more. More? When I was young, we got 2 presents, and that as if we were good. And one of them had to be educational. What's that one, Mummy? It's a funny shape. That's a funny shape, Mummy.
Yeah. He's had his apple pie and his drink.
Oh, yes.
He must have said thank you, that was lovely.
Didn't say thank you to me.
The cat must have seen him.